But I don't care, 'cause I know it's so rare.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we will be doing binary subtraction. So let's start how to do that. So before we proceed, let us see what's the rule for doing subtraction in binary numbers. So according to the rule, 0 minus 0 is equal to 0. 1 minus 0 is equal to 1. We all know as we do it in decimal. 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. And here 0 minus 1 is equal to 1. So as 1 is cannot be minus from 0, it is 1. So it has this borrow from the left hand side. Borrow from left. So before we begin, so first thing we have to see, when we convert decimal to binary, decimal decimal 1 is equal to binary 0 1, 2 is equal to 1 0, and 3 is equal to 1 1. So we'll keep in mind this one 2, that is main. By decimal 2 is equal to binary 10. So we'll see this why it is important. So example 1, let us minus, take a simple example like 1 0 0 0 minus 0 0 0 1. So we'll minus 0 0 0 1 from 1 0 0 0. So let's see, 0 minus 1, here it is 1, where we have to borrow 1 from left side. So on the left it is 0 again, it doesn't have any 1, so he cannot give any 1 to him. So that's why he has to borrow from here. Here also he has 0, so he cannot give 1. So ultimately he has to borrow 1 from here. So when he borrows 1 from here, so it becomes 0 and he gets 1 here. Okay, so this 1, when it comes here, it becomes 10, and 10 is equal to 2 in decimal. So we'll write here 2. Okay, now he has to borrow again from here, so he gives 1 to him again, so it becomes 10 again, and it becomes 2. And when he gives 1 to him, he becomes 1. Right, now he has to take 1 from here. Now he takes 1 from here, and it becomes 1, and this becomes 10. 10 is equal to 2. Right, now 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. You can see 0 minus 1 is equal to 1. Now here, as after giving 1 to him, he becomes 1. So 1 minus 0 is equal to 1. Again 1 minus 0 is equal to 1. And here 0 minus 0 is equal to 0. So it's simple. This is the answer. So let's go to a second example. Example number 2. So let's see, 1 1 0 1 0 minus 0 1 0 0 0. So according to the rule, again we write the rule here. 0 minus 0 is equal to 0. 1 minus 0 is equal to 1. 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. And 0 minus 1 is equal to 1, which is borrowed from the left hand side. So in the same rule we will calculate this. 0 minus 0 is equal to 0. 1 minus 0 is equal to 1. 0 minus 0 is equal to 0, 1 minus 1 is equal to 0, and 1 minus 0 is equal to 1. So this was very simple, where we didn't come to this situation where we had to minus 0 minus 1. So we'll go to the third example. Suppose 1 0 0 1 0. This also will do it in a simple way, but we'll come to that 0 minus 1 again. 0 1 0 0 0. So let us minus. So according to the rule, 0 minus 0 is equal to 0, 1 minus 0 is equal to 1, 0 minus 0 again it is 0. Now 0 minus 1 is 1, and we have to borrow 1 from here. So when we borrow 1 from here, it becomes 0, and this becomes 10. And as I told you, 10 in binary is equal to 2 in decimal, so we'll make it 2 here. Now 2 minus 1 is equal to 1, and here 0 minus 0 is equal to 0. So this is the third example. Now we'll do another example. Let us see. We'll take another example, example number 4. Let us take 1 1 1 0 1 minus 1 0 1 1 0. Okay, so 1 minus 0 is equal to 1. 0 minus 1 we have to borrow from the left hand side. So when we borrow from here, so it becomes 0, and this becomes 2, 10. So 10 in binary is equal to 2 in decimal. Now 2 minus 1 is equal to 1, and here when he gives 1 to him, it becomes 0. So 0 minus 1 is equal to 0 minus 1 is equal to again 1. Now as 0 minus 1 is equal to 1, he has to borrow from here. So this becomes 0 again, and this becomes 10. 10 is equal to 2. That's why 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. Now 0 minus 0 again it is 0, and 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. So this is the answer. I hope it is clear. If you like my channel, please subscribe, hit the like button and share. Love you all. Bye.